all are doing well. This video is for class 3 children. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 5 and this is part 4 of the video. So let's begin. So let's first start from understanding some of these shapes. Okay, here we have been given 2 shapes. So let's first understand the first shape. The first shape is pentagon. This is pentagon. This is known as pentagon. Penta means 5. Okay, penta means 5. So this shape which has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so shape which has 5 sides, that is known as pentagon. It has 5 sides. See, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So we will write pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 sides and 5 corners also. It has 5 sides, so it will have 5 corners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. And 5 corners. 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 5 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is pentagon. Next is hexagon. This is hexagon. Hexa means 6. Penta means 5 and hexa means 6. So the shape which has 6 sides. Okay, let's count 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this shape which has 6 sides is known as hexagon. Okay, this shape has 6 sides. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. So hexagon has, we will write here, hexagon has 6 sides and hexagon has 6 sides, so it will have 6 corners. Okay, it has 6 sides, so it will have 6 corners. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 corners. 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides and 6 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Okay, so pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners and hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners.
Weaving pattern. Golu and Binu went to the market with their aunt. They saw many rugs, durries. Rugs means दरीज, ठीक है, जो आप घर पे दरी बिछाते हो वो, जिसे आप मैट भी कहते हो या कारपेट भी कहते हो, ठीक है. Wow, so many colors, so many shapes, circles, triangles. See the patterns. Question is, which geometrical shapes can you identify in these borders? Draw them in your notebook. So here you have to look at this picture and you have to tell that what are the various shapes that you can identify from these carpets, from these rugs. Okay, so what are the shapes? Like we can see hexagon here. Okay, we have just studied hexagon. Then we can see circle here. Then we can see arc. We can see square. Okay, so like this you have to write here or you can draw. So you have to do this question in your notebook only, sorry, in your book only. Next question is any shape repeating in a particular pattern? Which ones? So this question also you will do yourself in this book only. You have to tell which are the shapes which are repeating. Next question is, are the shapes made of first curved lines, second straight lines, third both curved and straight lines? So we will do this question right now. Next is, look at your clothes. Your mother's saris, shawls, rugs and mats. Can you identify some patterns? Draw them in your notebook. Okay, so similarly, you have to now look at your mother's saris or shawls or the rugs and mats that you have at your home, and you have to identify some of the patterns and you have to draw them in your book only. Okay, or you can just name them. Okay, so now we will do the above question. Are the shapes made of curved lines, straight lines, both curved and straight lines? So now let's see this question.
Now the question is, are the shapes made of curved lines, straight lines, both straight and curved lines? Okay, so here we have, the question is, are the shapes made of? So here we have to tell the shapes that are given in your book, so that are made of, and we have given three options here. First option is curved lines, second is straight lines, third option is both straight and curved lines. So we have to tell the shapes that are made of. So the shapes, we can see in your book that it is made up of both straight and curved lines. So option number 3 will be right. So we will write here, the shapes are made up of, the shapes are made up of both straight and curved lines. Both straight and curved lines, okay? So the shapes are made up of both straight and curved lines.
Floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor which has designs? So yes, we have seen the floors which have designs. Nowadays our home has different kind of floors which has different kind of designs, okay? Do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. For example, look at the shape of this tile and see how it fits. Here we can see there is a design of a tile and how it is fitted, okay? Now look at this tile with 6 sides, okay? Now the next tile is with 6 sides. See how the tiles of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gaps. Now you can see here that the tile with 6 sides, how it is completely covering the floor without any gaps, okay? Among the following, can you match the tiles with the designs that they will make on the floor? Draw lines to match. So here we have to match the tiles with their designs that they will make on the floor, okay? So you can also make your own tiles and use them to make your own tiling patterns. You will find some such tiles at the end of the book that you can cut out, trace and color. So here we have to now match. So let's see how we will match these. So now look, this is how we match the tiles with the pattern that they will form in the floor, okay? So this is how you will match. Complete the following tiling pattern. Now here we have been shown the tiling pattern. So now this is how you have to continue it, and you have to complete this pattern in your book only, okay? You will do this exercise only in your book. Complete the pattern. Compare it with the pattern on page 70. which also uses six-sided shapes. What is the difference between the two? So here you can see a pattern that you have to complete. Okay, this also you will do in your book only, and you will complete this pattern like you completed the previous one. Okay, and here you also have to tell that in page number 70 we have seen a six-sided shapes, and this is also a six-sided shape. So you have to tell what is the difference between the two patterns. Okay, so here there the six-sided shapes are connected with each other and there were no gap, and here six-sided shapes are connected to triangles. Okay, here is also no gap, but six-sided shapes here are connected to the triangle, three triangles. Okay, so this is the difference between the two six-sided shapes. Next is Khushbu and Haris live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor had the pattern shown below. See, here we can see the floor pattern. Okay, here is a tile which is placed in different angles. I can see two different tiles in this pattern. So the girl is saying that she can see two different tiles in this pattern, and the boy is saying, I think only one type of tile has been used. So, and the boy is saying that only one type of tile has been used here. So what do you think? Discuss with your friends. So here we have to tell that is this same tile or two different type of tiles. Okay, so let's see this question.
Question is, Khushbu and Haris live in Agra. Okay, Khushbu and Haris, there are two children who live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. One day both of them went to see the Taj Mahal. Okay, the floor had the pattern shown in the book. So when they went to Taj Mahal, they have seen that the floor had the different patterns. Okay, the floor of the Taj Mahal has different pattern, and that pattern is shown in your book. So you can see that in your book. So now we have to tell that what do we think? Okay, we have to tell that are those patterns different or are those same? Or in Taj Mahal floor they have used different kind of tiles or the same tiles. So as we can see, the pattern is same but the angle is different. Okay, they have used the same tile but they have put them in different angles. So we will write in Taj Mahal floor, comma, only one type of tile is used. But at different angles. But in different angles. Okay, in different angles. Okay, so as we can see in the picture that is given in the book, so the floor of Taj Mahal, there is only one type of tile. Okay, the tile is only of one type, but that is put in different direction. Okay, one is put vertically, then other is horizontally put. Then again vertically, then horizontally, it is placed like this. So we will write in Taj Mahal floor only one type of tile is used, but in different angles.
Tiling time. The patterns below are made from this type. So here a shape of a tile is shown, and we have been told that the tiles given below are made up of this tile. Okay, the patterns given below are made up of this tile. In this pattern, three colors have been used to make it look like steps. So here in this pattern you can see three type of colors has been used to make it look like steps. Okay, steps means stairs. Okay, so three type of colors are used with. Okay, next is by using two colors it becomes a different pattern of blue and yellow flowers. So here also two different type of colors are used. Okay, two different type of colors are used to make the pattern of blue and yellow, and it looks like a flower. Okay, it looks like a flowers. Use different color combinations to make your own pattern. So here now you have been given pictures which you have to color. Okay, now this you have to color with two different type of colors. You have to make two different colors combination, and you have to color this pattern on your own. Okay, in both of them you will color two different type of combinations like as it is done above. Okay, you can choose any of the two colors that you like. Next is I have seen a mithai sweet of this shape. So here is an aunt who is saying that I have seen a mithai that is sweet, okay, of this shape. So she has seen a sweet of this shape. You must have also seen sweet of this shape. Okay, so the name of that sweet is Kaju Katli. Okay, you must have seen that sweet. It is also of this shape. Have you seen this shape in any other design? On a wall, a dress, on a basket, a mat, etc. So now you have to tell that have you seen this shape anywhere else? In any other design? Whether it is on wall, it is on dress, on basket, a mat or anything. Okay. So if you have seen this type of design anywhere, you write it here. Okay. You write in your book only. Treasure hunt. Next is treasure hunt. Frankie and Juhi's mummy has hidden a surprise gift for both of them, but she wants them to find out through a treasure hunt. Okay, they have to now find it out through a treasure hunt. She has written some instructions here. Can you help Juhi and Frankie in finding their gift? Okay, so you can see in page number 75 there is a picture drawn where you have to do this treasure hunt. Okay, so the steps given to them are to do the treasure hunt. The steps given to them to do the treasure hunt are: A. Start from the tallest tree. B. Go forward on the pathway. C. From the sixth tile, turn left. D. After moving a few steps, again you will find a plant on your right hand side. E. Color the dress of the child playing closest to this plant. F. Start moving again from the plant. G. On the fourth tile, turn left again. H. On the way, you will find the corner of the fourth tile is broken. I. You will find a bat and a ball lying on the ground. Don't pick them up, just circle them. J. Move ahead and turn right. Move ahead and turn right. K. You will find a mango tree. A few mangoes can be seen on the tree. Okay, now you can see some of the mangoes on the mango tree. Color 11 mangoes on the tree. Here you have to color the 11 mangoes out of those mangoes on that tree. Okay, only 11 mangoes. L. Also draw some grass near the mango tree and start moving again on the pathway. Now also you have to draw the grass near that mango tree and you have to start moving again on that pathway that you were moving earlier. M. When you go straight, you will find a house. N. Behind that house there is a bag. Open it and you will find something sweet in it. Can you tell what their mothers has kept in the bag? So here is the picture where you have to do the treasure hunt. Okay, you will follow the steps that are written in page number 74, and you will do here the treasure hunt step by step. Okay.
So that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with our next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.